So good morning everyone. Today I Hansika and my friend Lavanya are here going to discuss about a very important and crucial topic which is poverty. So before we start, take a moment and think about your daily life. The chances are you may have came across many people who you may have suspected as poor. But what does that really mean? How does the reality looks like? This presentation goes beyond images and understand the root causes of poverty and the complex cycle of poverty. So, so before that, we would like you to see a short video about what poverty is. Poverty is not just a distant concept. It's all around us, and we see it in the faces of landless laborers and poor families. So the landless laborers live in jhuggies or in precarious conditions in areas like slums of major cities. As you had learned what is poverty, now we will move forward to the types of poverty. So there are two types of poverty, absolute poverty and relative poverty. Absolute poverty is the lack of basic necessities like food, water and sanitation that often measured by a specific income. And the second type of poverty is relative poverty, a condition where people lack the minimum amount of income needed to maintain the average standard of life. For example of relative poverty, that if a person in a developed country, a person who cannot afford a car or a phone will be considered as poor even though he can afford food and shelter. So this is a cycle which demonstrates that why poverty is very difficult to escape. Here we can see low income. If there is low income, person cannot afford proper nutrition, limited healthcare access and no quality education, which leads to low productivity and employability, which causes unskilled labor, low wage and etc. Thus causes low savings and investment, and if the person has low savings, then low health and education skills, missed schools and underperformance. So this is just a demonstration of poverty just for education purpose. हम वीडियो है वो वीडियो है हाँ
पानी 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 अंकल जी पानी पिलाते हैं मेरा गला सूखा है
तुम्हें पानी पीना है पी लिया पानी
रुको तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आता कैसे लड़के को पानी पिलाने के लिए स्कूल पर गया है चलो तो यहाँ से बेटा तुम्हें पानी पीना है लो पी लो किसी प्यासे के साथ ऐसा बात मेरी बेटी पसंद है एक मैं
there are two main tools to measure poverty accurately. The first one is multidimensional poverty index. So, a multidimensional poverty index is just measured below income, and it measures deprivations of three major areas. The next one is poverty line. Poverty line is the official traditional measure, and it is the common method to measure the minimum level or minimum consumption level of a person's basic needs. So, the good news: India has made a massive progress. The overall poverty ratio of India was 45% in 1993, and it has been reduced to 26%, 22% in 2011 to 2012. So poverty is a major problem in rural areas nowadays also. Now this is a type of demonstration. It's a video where we can see people, small kids picking food or garbage so that they can afford something for carrying on their life. So this is a chart showing rural poor's diet. The only key takeaway is that lack of diversity. It shows that 67% of calories come alone with cereals, and this highly dependence leads to malnutrition and poor health, which causes poverty to continue. So these are some causes of poverty: irregular small incomes, huge income inequalities, socio-cultural factors, and economic factors. So this is a person who is begging so that he can afford livelihood, so that he can carry on his life. So the main vulnerability is also a cause of poverty. Vulnerability is the highest risk a person or a community faces of remaining or becoming poor in the future. So poverty is not just about lacking money. Poverty can lead to low income, and further it leads to the exclusion from social backgrounds and social environment. The lacking of money leads to homelessness, as people cannot afford to have to live a life full of happiness. Lacking of money also leads to unemployment. People cannot be employed in people cannot get good opportunities for employment, and lack of education also. And one more reason is social exclusion. Poverty is not just about lacking of money. It's about being excluded from the social environment. So there are some anti-poverty schemes run by the Indian government so that we can overcome this poverty. So number one anti-poverty scheme is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, which was launched in 2005, provides 100 days of guaranteed wage to the employment in a year to a rural household, focuses on unskilled manual work, wages are paid directly to workers' bank account, and the impact of this poverty scheme is that it reduces unemployment, increases rural income, prevents migration to cities. The second one is Antyodaya Ann Yojana I, launched in 2000, targets the poorest of the poor families, provides highly subsidized food grains, and the impact of this scheme is ensures food security, helps prevent hunger and malnutrition, supports vulnerable families. Thank you. Now it's time for the questions.